Welcome to the open course in Syriac language. Syriac language is an ancient language of Palestine, where Jesus Christ, whom Christians believe as the center of their faith, lived. At that time, it was known as Aramaic. When the Christian religion began to grow in India, especially in South India, it is reliably learned that till Vatican II, that is 1960s, the language of the liturgy and prayers, Syriac language was used here. It was known as Suryani. Since then, there has been a drastic sidelining of the language and the related culture. Against the background of constitutional provision of having minority institutions, mandates those institutions to run such institutions, ensuring that minority culture and faith are conserved and promoted. So, the effort of introducing this course is to contribute to the familiarization of the rich cultural heritage through introducing this ancient language and culture as an open course for the undergraduate students of our college. What are the objectives of this course? 1. To introduce the ancient Syriac language and the culture to the students. 2. To generate interest in the culture and heritage of Syrian Christian community. And 3. To gain an understanding of the cultural influence of Syriac language and tradition on the present day Kerala society. What are the learning outcomes of this course? The student has the basic information regarding Syriac language and outstanding persons and works in the language. The student is familiar with the alphabets and has the ability to read and write the print version of the language. And finally, the student is familiar with some key biblical or classical texts and is able to reproduce at least 5 of them. Let us see what are the modules of this course. There are altogether 7 modules, and in module 1, Introduction to Syriac language, its history, Syriac literature, Syriac writers like Jacob Afrahat, Mar Apraim, Narsai, Jacob of Zerug, Syriac tradition in India. In module 2, orthography, consonants, vowels, diphthongs, orthographical specialities like doubling, assimilation, occultation, substitution, kushaya, rukhaka, etc. And in module 3, writing and reading of proper names, names of places, ecclesiastical names, liturgy, liturgical seasons, liturgy of hours, liturgical vestments, and Bible quotes. And in module 4, we will learn the names of days, names of weeks, and numerals. And in module 5, etymology, pronouns, separable pronouns, inseparable pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. And in module 6, we'll practice some conversations. And in module 7, some stories and songs in the form of parables are taught. I hope this open course in Syriac language would definitely add to your understanding of a classical language. Happy learning. Thank you very much.